everything that we did for us.
Hello, what's up vlog? This is Faye. It's brown out.
Yun yung lokal doon. Magawa sa bayan.
I can't bear with it.
Diretso lang. Actually, bandi ka pa dyan.
Why?
We're heading on a different way. Cause mali daw kami ng dinaanan.
My sister, my sebs, and everything.
They have such a beautiful place. Yes. I'm gonna go for He's running for something. Here's the community. Bumili sila red.
Nasaan?
Kasi hindi namin alam dito sila bumabara. Nasa dulo, nagkasalamat.
So here's the feet. This is our room.
I don't have brush. Shut up! I know you have.
Here's our tagalinis ng isda. Meron pa siyang gas.
Guys, salamat! Lagi sa outfit ni Athena ito pagdadala ng adobo.
Outfit check.
Outfit check. Louis Vuitton.
Ayun. Hi. Hi. So pretty.
Bayad
Oh my
muna
gosh.
bago li.
Hindi pala per head, oh. May 20 lang nadala ko. Yun. Kulang 20. 40 pa pa. Ayaw, honey. Hindi pa nga pala.
This community immersion humbles me in all aspects by showing the real challenges people face every day. It reminds me to be grateful and to serve with compassion and respect.
Madulas, madulas. Wala siyang kinatatakutan, guys. Hi, Faith.
Hala.
Hi, guys. This is me. With band. I'm just gonna put away my phone and enjoy and have.
Tara na! Bakit tao pa rin na? We're just gonna try it. We're not gonna stay there.
I'm passing this booking sa hindi maabot ang ilong.
These are the builder. The builder. Body. Oh, there's my body.
This is your body, guys.
So
Pakita mo dito ang body mo. Ayoko sa kanya.
So where are you right now?
Love nature. Look at that. That's like
My body. Can you say hi?
No, I can't.
Why?
I don't want.
Because you're a body. You should at least know a person for you to vote.
I don't care.
Morning po. We will be back in a bit. We have our community. Yes, malayo nila kanila. I answered already. Bye! Guys, we're going back to the house. We're just waiting for Uten.
Mang gumanong ka lang, tapos okay na. Ganun ka lang, no? Amen.
We're gonna be doing presentation based on the assessment that we did the past few days dito sa community ng Barangay Karagsakan, Dinggalan, Aurora, Purto. Gulo niya, di ba? What day it is?
Oh, it's day 5. It's Friday, guys. So, we're going to the community house.
Yeah, look at the palay, please.
Wait, itry ko muna kay Ate Faita kasi may UV siya. May dito na ako.
Anong difference?
Kasi,
Manipis lang yung payong ko.
ako din.
Okay na.
It's Sierra Madre.
Oh, that's the famous Sierra Madre.
Ay, akala ko that's the famous Sophia Reyes.
Day 5.
Day 5, you guys.
Getting close to the mountains.
We just finished visiting the hospital. How was it? How was that? Okay, what a wonderful answer. I love it. Can I give it to them? Yeah, sure. You Okay.
Ko.
Kunin ko pagbaba.
Galing! Dati ka pang ano?
Ay, ma'am.
Si Rich. Hi, Ma'am Stella. Ayun na si Faye.
Ako before.
Ayun na si Teresa. Ayun na si Teresa.
Later.
I don't have barya. Sobra yung tulog nyo, or kulang yung tulog nyo, or hindi kayo makatulog. So, upo po lang tuwid, relax lang po. Tapos yung dalawang kamay nyo po, lagay sa dibdib, tapos lagay sa chan. Ay, nasumasabay si Atina. Fun? Post me. Hello. Yes, of course. Why wouldn't I? yet. Day 11. Resurrection. We're going to the White House. I can see the view from here. Finally, I can see the lighthouse. Going to the Botanics of the East. Here's our view. Hi, Faye. Hi.
Oh my gosh, I love you so.
Hi, Sheila.
For this, I'm gonna have 11 pack abs.
Kaya pa, kaya pa.
Who's gonna carry the box?
Hep, hep. Hep, hep. Hooray.
Hooray!
Ay, ay, ay. Fresh pa din, fresh. Sheila na entry mo.
Ingat dyan ah.
Ay, ay. Step entry mo. Wala siya. Hi, Pastor.
Hello!
Ay, wala pa. Show your entry. We're getting close. Ang R&R namin ay
Hiking, trekking,
oo.
downing, camping.
99% na akyat babalakad, 1% na enjoy.
Yes. And mamaya paakyat na naman tayo kasi pababa na tayo.
Oh, look at that.
Pagod na yung pagod.
Bukas, magre-report kami kay Mayor na pilay.
See you in 5 years, my college. Ate check.
Pagod ka na?
Puna naman ako.
Sa camera hindi. Sa personal, medyo. Hi, Joy! So pretty.
Super enjoy.
How's your experience, Sebs?
I'm so happy and grateful for today.
How's your experience?
Tired, but enjoyful.
How's your tulog?
Breathed.
How's your experience?
Oh, it's really, really nice. I had fun.
How about you?
Oh, it's so tiring, but it's so worth it. And the
Okay.
view is everything.
Reflection mo.
So tiring, but so fun.
How many mountains did you climb?
I climbed 2 lines.
2?
I think it's 3.
3.
No, plus 2. You show me.
Okay, sure, here.
Hi, I'm Sophia. You
And
follow me on my Instagram. Sophia Reyes with 2 underscore.
How's your experience?
Masasabi ko po, lahat na ng form of water.
Our day is very blessed, you know. At first we went to, what do you call that? We
It's
went
White
to
Beach.
Batanes of the East.
Yes.
And the view there is so great, but it's very tiring because we went up and down. Next we went to the Tanawan Falls. And after that, here we are. Still having fun. Yeah, that's my
Aras na ba yan?
Aras! It's Aras!
Ma'am, virtual aras na lang, ma'am.
Exhausting, yet satisfying. Yes, it's the most fun thing that we did as a class. Oh, it's so maitim.
Kasi yung community-based health services, doon po sila nagre-rely po ng mga pangangailangan pang kalusugan po nila. O is yung self-care po tulad ng gustong pagkain, tamang oras ng pagtulog. At yung
Mayor Sherwin, to Dr. Danny Sibes, Nurse Naisel,
Ma'am Maria Stella, Sean and Dr. Alicia Bauer, the Philippine Christian University, Verdanza College of Technology.
Lahat po ng electionist ay meron din pong certificate.